conformity assessment procedure is any procedure used to determine the prescribed requirements in relevant technical regulations or standards are fulfilled. According to the technical regulations now in force on medical devices, the letters are divided into classes 1 to A to B and third class. In vitro diagnostic devices are classified into List A and List B, devices for self-testing. Why did I mention this classification? The classification of medical devices defines the conformity assessment procedures. These procedures can be self-declaration, quality management system audit, CE certificate recognition, batch certification. For low-risk Class I devices, the manufacturer self-declares, applying a conformity assessment mark. If the device has a measuring function or is supplied sterile, a conformity assessment body is, however, required. For Class IIa, Class IIb, and Class III devices, a conformity assessment body audits the manufacturer quality system, and the manufacturer requires a favorable audit to proceed to conformity assessment marking. For Class III devices, a conformity assessment body evaluates the design of the medical devices by reviewing the technical documentation submitted by the manufacturer and issues of conformity with the regulation. Active implantable medical devices are regarded by their very nature as high-risk devices and must undergo full quality assurance, including design of the product and post-market surveillance. These devices will be classified as Class III devices. Despite the procedure of the conformity assessment chosen, the manufacturer must file a technical documentation on the medical device to the conformity assessment body. The depth of the technical documentation review, which is conducted by the conformity assessment body, depends on the device's risk classification as defined by the relevant technical regulation. Regardless, the manufacturer must file and provide all the technical documentation in support of the safety. If we are talking about the quality management system audit, please note that the conformity assessment body will be able to determine the number of the audit days and define what sites should be inspected only after it has been provided with a completed application. Also note, once the applicant has filed a signed application, he may not file the same application to any other conformity assessment body. The conformity assessment certificate on medical devices in Ukraine is valid for 5 years. Please note that within the validity of the certificate, supervisory audits will be conducted annually by the conformity assessment body of Ukraine.